Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I'm gonna share with you how I style my hair. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. خبركم حواتم قاعد أحمد أخن سمي إيدا نبال لو ما حتخاني تجري أبكذا كمي كده ستايل كم زجبرو مساخد كن شير كبري كتفتو خاني تسوي كبري عن اللي هواتي. Okay guys, today I have a special PR for you. It's a hearing protection. It's a noise reduction plug that help you from sounds in your area. If there is somebody that they do their grasses in the morning or early in the morning when you sleep and you cannot sleep, or if you are working at night time and then you want to sleep daytime, but there is construction worker or any worker around you and just bothering you so much, so all you need to do is just plug those to your ears. I'll show you everything. Okay guys, the hearing protection, it comes with two sizes. One is this one and the second one is this one. Let me show it like this. You see? So you choose which one is fit to your ears and use it at night time or in the morning, or if anybody in your house snoring or anything, you don't like that sound, all you need to do is just put it in your ears. Just like this. You see? And nobody bothers you while you're sleeping. And it comes with it also comes with a direction booklet. They show you what to do and what not to do. The thing is, you can travel with it. It has a box that you can put it inside and take it wherever you want to go. This is very convenient for anybody. It's great if you go to hotels or anything and you want to sleep for a long time, or if you travel to somewhere and there is a lot of noises. So this can help you a lot. Okay guys, let's say you are a truck driver and you got tired and you want to sleep, or you go somewhere and it's nighttime so you have to sleep. So all you need to do is just open your keychain, take out your earbuds and then just put them in your ears and go sleep in the middle of the road. It happens always to everybody, especially the drivers, you know that happened to you. حوات زناي ear protection يحزلكم متقلو معتي سوق عندك اسكم كلكم زخون سبزر بشكم تقين وي كلب نبح وي كا زي construction workers قال مشافت after جيكم قال يربشكم استقبروا له مالتي كل تعين سايز زلنا هذا زي الله كلا يتغزى كل مسكلة تعتمد مالتي مسوقاني ناي مفتح قلف مالتي ناي قلف مس عمد مالتي هنا أبناء درايفر تخونكم تراك درايفر or something أما قدمش يدك أسيسة كم تخوينه أبزح حسكم ما تخدوا مالتي تعتصويا سي أبزح مش تقبروا مس مفتحكم مالتي كيف تعبيلكم تتقاموا له مالتي ده سويا زي تطقمك. أوكي كبرت حوات مستي أنا إيش ليش شانت آيات متسنيش لي مقامت مالتي سكاتلا أبعت تأتوا أبزقنا عدك تقولوا خلكم حسكم ما تخدوا نابنت حجة ترى أنا عدك جيشكم أبعدنا نوجه تسي أم دورهون أخلاباتني هات سمع نوجه مالتيو سو تدمت تتسأليهم أو تقولوا إذنكم تدقسوا مالتيو so ناتهم information in the description box كتفلكم هي check وراهم. Okay guys, my neighbors always cut their grass in the morning, and this is summertime. I like to sleep in the morning, but it's like not, I just always get up and go, but now there is a solution, and then there is somebody snoring in my house, so this is gonna be perfect for me. So if you guys like it, please let them know. Okay, check them out. Okay guys, if you don't know, my hair is very woolly and strong. It's a coarse hair and it does like straightening by heat. That's what I use. Most of you ask me what I use. I use those kind of this is from Conair actually. I got it like a few years ago. I really like it. So what I do is I just use this one to straighten it first. Sometimes I don't use anything else. It just okay. كورات حوت سحلة فجيزة نمتى شغل كل شيء على موز كلا تحت كبري كليل كنانس باليسترايد كبرانة تحنتي در أخوهم بعد ما يزعل كله زي أكاب كونيريا قرب عمتاتي كذا يعني كفتوا خند معتي دامي جايت قبل كان يخاف كله سو كل جزاسي شغرخسي لوموت انت اخذ قبل لويل كنا نموس باليسترايز قبر زغنا خا ما تقلل خاني حاو قبر مالتي Guys, you make sure you don't put no oil before you put hot iron on your hair, okay? Otherwise it's gonna burn your hands or whatever. كتقبر خلق ان باليسترا ويكاني زغنة iron كستا يقبرها مجمرة زيتي تقبرها له كنا نبدأ 5 سنة واحدة وريقنا كنت مجمرة خليك نكره يعرفي نوي Okay guys, this is how I style my hair. Most of the time I wash it and then I dry it with a blow dryer, and I brush it, and that's how you see me most of the time. But sometimes I do this. I flat iron it first and then I curl it lightly. I don't curl it all the way. That's why I use, let's turn off this one. I use this size so it won't curl that much. I just want it a little bit, you know, not too much. So this is how I curl my hair. Okay, كبرات حوات كم زي بقى ستايل لكم تقولي مجمرة فلات ايرن نقبرلو دحري كاني بس روغيد جيره يتقللو بس روغيد ما تقامي مقنيات تقلل الكبلا تصبيق يدالني قرب طريا وخلو. So that's why it's the end of the camera. I think this is gonna be a nice thumbnail. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you like videos like this, let me know so I can make often. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I love you all so much. كبرات حوات موزي أني راني لومي فتيخن أختكونا تسفى قبر كم زعينة فيديو تات فوتوات خون كن كأن قراني سو كم زخاء حتى حسب كأن قبر مالتيو بس تعرفين زي أنتي خن أوزناي إير بلاكاني أبزناي description box أو كتفلكني تشيك براهم يخن كوبون كعلناي. Okay guys, if you like the earplug, their information I'm gonna put it on the description box. Please check them out. We also have a discount code for you. So much, I love you all. Thanks Hearprotek for sponsoring this video.